In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment gateway on Wix website. Adding a payment gateway is one of the most important steps if you want to get paid online. The good news is that Wix makes this process straightforward as long as you follow the steps in the right order. To begin, log into your Wix dashboard. You can do this by opening your Wix account and navigating to the area where you manage your website. Once you are logged in, take a moment to confirm that you are looking at the correct site, especially if you manage more than one website. This helps you avoid enabling payments on the wrong project. Next, click Settings in the left menu. The Settings area is where Wix groups key options related to how your site runs. As you click it, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. Click Settings and wait for the page to load fully so you can see all available payment-related controls. After you open Settings, select Accept Payments. This option is specifically designed for configuring how customers can pay on your site. When you click Accept Payments, the screen may show payment setup details or a setup guide. If you see a panel that describes what you are about to do, read it briefly, because it often explains what happens after you connect a provider. Now click See More Payment Options to view available providers. This is important because not every payment provider is available to every site or region. By clicking See More Payment Options, you will expand the list of providers you can choose from. Take your time here. Scan the options and consider which provider you want to use based on your needs and the services that are available in your area. Once you find your preferred provider, choose it and click Connect. This action tells Wix that you want to use that provider for your website payments. After you click Connect, Wix will likely open a connection flow or a new window where you complete the provider setup. This is the part where your payment gateway becomes linked to your site. At this point, follow the on-screen instructions to log in or create an account with the provider. If you already have an account, log in using the credentials you normally use for that provider. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one from the same on-screen flow. As you go through this section, pay attention to any permissions or confirmations the provider requests, because that is what enables the payment gateway to work properly. Then click Connect to enable the payment gateway on your site. This final click is what activates the connection, so your Wix site is ready to accept payments through the chosen provider. Make sure the provider is listed correctly and that the status indicates that everything is connected. If you notice any prompts to finalize details, complete them before leaving the page, so there are no delays when customers try to pay. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.